planning on hosting a major online event or webinar? Well, I've got good news. You can do it right here in Sessions. If you go to Events on the main menu, you will find everything you need. So from here, you can create professional landing pages like this one with information about your event, speaker bios. You can add your agenda, and you can even embed videos or web pages. And you can also create custom registration forms to collect all the information you need from your participants. It's also good to know that you can set up UTM codes to track how your event performs once you start advertising it. And when the time comes, you can also live stream to all the major social media platforms. If you need help, we've got a detailed YouTube video about all the steps of setting up an event, and you are always welcome to book a demo with our team.